So now in this lecture, we're going to be learning how to edit the head of our document so then we can change like the meta info or the title, which is what we're going to be using in this case. So all we have to do is inside of our index page, we're just going to add a comma inside of our export default. Then we're going to have a head. This is a function. And then we're going to open that up. And then we're going to have return. And this is an object. So inside of here, all we have to do is title. And then we're going to have our next website. So then if we go back to our home, we can see the title is Nuxt website. So we can just copy this code right here and add it into all of our pages. Contact us and donate to us. And finally, our about page. So then we should be able to go to all of our individual pages, and you can see that the top changes with it. So to have like a link tag, if you wanted to link to a font, like a Google font, you'd probably actually want to do this in the layout, so then you wouldn't have to add that into every single one of our individual pages. So we can just go to our default layout inside of our layouts, and then we can just add a comma after our export default instead of our components, and we can just have our head, and then we're going to have a link. So this is actually made for having multiple link tags. So you're going to have an array, and then we're going to have another one, and then we're going to have, it's going to have the attributes of this link tag that we're generating. So we're going to have rel, style sheet, and then href. And then we can just go to a fonts.google.com, and we're just going to load in a font. So I think we should probably just use Lato. So we can just copy this href code website. And it should be automatically loading this in to our website. So if I just hit view page source, then we should be able to utilize that font inside of here just by going into our HTML right here, and we can just delete all of this, and we can just put in here later. Hopefully this will work. Okay, actually I don't think this is working right now. So it's using serif. So it's not loading it correctly. So, link, rel equals style sheet. Maybe we should try to refresh. Oh wait, we had an error here. Oh wait, that's way towards the top. Maybe we should just try to restart our server. Okay, hopefully this works. We have our rel style sheet href. That's this. Is there anything inside of the documentation for this? Okay, head, meta, return. Oh, we need to have a return function. Oh, sorry. Okay, now this should be working. Oh my gosh. Sorry about that. So we can see that it has all of our fonts loading. So I've been kind of just ignoring this for now, but in the next lecture, we're just going to add in all the CSS for all of our website, and you can just skip that one because this is kind of supposed to be just a Nuxt.js tutorial, not a CSS tutorial, but so I'll see you guys in the next lecture. If you don't really want to do the CSS, just skip it.